How to turn on new video notifications for individual channels. Now that you know the advantages of turning on notifications per individual YouTube channels as compared to receiving notifications for a broad range of videos, you can follow the steps below to start receiving notifications from any of your favorite YouTube channel or celebrity that you want to follow. First, you need to make sure that your iPhone or iPad is set to receive notifications from YouTube. You can skip the first 3 steps in case your device is already set to receive notifications from YouTube. 1. Tap on Settings. 2. Tap on Notifications. 3. Next, tap on YouTube and toggle on Notifications. 4. Open up the YouTube app. 5. Log into your YouTube account by tapping on the Account tab and then tap on the Sign In button. 6. Search for the channel, celebrity or YouTube user that you want to receive notifications from. 7. Make sure that you are on the home page of this particular channel. 8. Next, tap on the bell icon. 9. This will get you notified in case any new videos are uploaded by this particular channel.